series, HTML. Lesson 1, Introduction, where we learn all there is to know about HTML and how to create a website. Our goal for today's lesson is to know what is HTML. Why learn HTML and the basics of HTML syntax? So first of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it was made to create websites or web pages. Second question, why learn HTML? If you want to understand, design, and create web pages like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, for example, you have to know HTML. HTML is nearly ubiquitous on the internet. Okay, now let's dive into HTML basics. An HTML file must always start with .type HTML to tell the browser like Google, Firefox, Bing that this is an HTML file. Now don't get mistaken, an HTML file is not something special. It really is just a text file. When you open a new file in a code editor like Visual Studio Code or Notepad++, this is the first thing that you'll type in, .type HTML, and then HTML and close it. Just think of these as boxes inside of boxes, like a matryoshka doll, so to speak, right? If you open a tag, like the HTML tag, you have to close it. Next, inside of the HTML tag, we have the head tag, open and close. And then next is the body tag, open and close. And if you're wondering, what do you put inside of the head? The head stores the website's information, also where you link this HTML file with other files. So basically, it's like everything in the back that the users don't see. And for the body part, what is in the body part? So the body tag is where you want to put things that you want the users to see. Alright, let's move on to the first thing that you can put inside of the head tags. Title. Here I put my title as my first website. And if you open a tag, you always must close it, right? Open title, close the title. Next, for the body. In the body, I put the P tag. P stands for paragraph, which is also why I wrote this is my first paragraph here. And like all things, if you open a tag, like the P tag, you also must close it. Alright, so let's see what all of this look like when they're put together. First, you have the .type HTML, and then open HTML, closing HTML, and the head tag. Inside of the head tag, we have the title, which we put as my first website. And then next, we have the body tag. Inside the body tag, we have the paragraph, or the P tag, sorry. This is my first paragraph. Close the body, and that's it. As you can see here, I've copy and pasted what we've learned into Notepad++, and then I'm going to press Ctrl+S to save. Then choose where you want to save this file. I put it in the desktop folder, and then I'll save it as my first website, .html, and then save. And then I'll click on it. As you can see here, we have the title, my first website, and then this is my first paragraph. Alright everyone, thank you for being with me here today. See you next lesson, and remember, learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye!